Hello everyone, we know that x power 3 plus 4x is equal to 8. What is the value of x power 7 plus 64x squared? Let x power 7 plus 64x squared is equal to a. Okay? Okay. So x times x power 3 bracket power 2 plus 64x is equal to a. Okay? Okay. So x times x power 3 plus 4x minus 4x bracket power 2 plus 64x is equal to a. Okay? Okay. We know that x power 3 plus 4x is equal to 8. So x times 8 minus 4x bracket power 2 plus 64x is equal to a. Okay? Okay. So x times 8 minus 4x bracket power 2 is equal to 8 power 2 is equal to 64 minus 64x plus 16x squared plus 64x is equal to a. Okay? Okay. Simplify plus 64x minus 64x. So x times 64 plus 16x squared is equal to a. So x times 64 plus 16x squared is equal to 8. So 16 for x plus 16x power 3 is equal to a. Sixteen times 4x plus x power 3 is equal to a. We know that 4x plus x power 3 4x plus x power 3 is equal to 8. So 16 times 8 is equal to A. 16 times 8 is equal to 100. 28 is equal to A. But A is equal to x power 7 plus 64x squared. X power 7 plus 64x squared. So x power 7 plus 64x squared is equal to 128. Bye bye.